Hello, um, Jennifer here. I just wanted to do this recipe for you. It's called Perok. It's a fish pie. So you have your ingredients, right? You're gonna need pie crust, for a bottom crust and a top crust for your fish pie. Fish, skinned or not skinned, your choice. I like the skin on it though. Then you get your cooked rice, cooked sauteed vegetables, which would be cabbage, carrots, and onion. You don't have to put the onion in though. I don't like the onion. Just cabbage and carrots, saute them. Saute your bacon. Cook it slow so it gets it nice and crunchy. And then eggs. You'll need eggs on in the end. So you take your all your ingredients to the fish pie has to be ready and hot all at once. So start with your rice first. Get your bacon cooked. You could have it even pre-cooked on the side, ready to go. Use some of the bacon grease to saute your cabbage and carrots in. I saute my onions on the side in another container, another pot. After you do that, then you get all your all the ingredients together. Do the pie crust. Put your bottom layer down. I use the butter Crisco for the pie crust on this one. It makes it nice and flaky and yummy. So put your pie crust down. Put a thin layer of rice, a bottom to your dish. Then you put your fish down. Season your fish, with salt and pepper. And I put the sauteed onions on top of the fish directly. And then you can put a thin layer of rice. I usually use the pearl rice, the Calrose pearl rice. It's sticky, so make it extra sticky and put a little bit extra water in it when you cook it. Then you put your small layer of rice. Then you put your vegetables down, your cabbage and your carrots, and your bacon. Spread it around in there, cover it up really good. Put a small thin layer of rice again, and then uh, put finger poke holes all the way down to the crust. Poke your fingers through it or a wooden spoon and put a couple of holes in each piece you try to. After you poke the holes into the food down to the fish and the rice, then you take and I take about 4 eggs. Don't mix them up or anything. Just crack them on top of the rice. Kind of smush them around, break open the yolk a little bit, and swirl it around. Make sure you cover the top of your fish pie with it. Then you take the crust and you put the crust on top of it, and you put it in the oven 350 for about an hour, and it should be good to go. A lot of people, if you don't season your fish when you put it in there, it's a little bland and not so flavorful other than the fish flavor, which is good. But a lot of people put salt, pepper, garlic on it. So then when it comes out, let it sit for a few minutes, about 5 minutes, and then cut it into it. And a lot of people like to put ketchup on theirs and stuff, but I like the flavor of the fish and the rice and all the things together and everything like that. Tastes pretty good. Then we usually would make a potato salad to boil the potatoes and the eggs the previous day, and then make your potato salad the next day. That's helps preserve the potato so it doesn't soak up all the flavors of everything. So, fish pie, potato salad, and hot tea, and you got yourself a really good meal. Check it out. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day.